Need to check the storage on your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, or M4, but don't know how? Well, it's super easy. Knowing your storage helps you manage files and keep your Mac running smoothly. So in this video, I'll show you how to check your Mac Mini storage. So let's get started. Method 1. Using system settings. First, click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the system settings. Scroll down a little bit in the sidebar. Then click General. Next click Storage. Here a bar will display your storage usage, broken down into color-coded categories like apps, documents, photos, and system data. If you hover your mouse over the colors, you will see the exact storage amount under this category, and if you click on the eye icon next to some categories, you will see the files and documents under the categories. From here, you can clean up files as well if you need. Method 2. Checking disk utility. So, look at the left side of the top bar. Find the search, click on it, now type utility. Now type disk utility. Click on it. Now here you can check your Mac's storage. And that's it. This is how you can check your Mac Mini storage. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.